Hello my good friends, and good morning on this lovely morning. We're approaching winter, so we need to do some preparations, and today's DIY task is this shed. You can see it's looking really ropey, the paint is peeling off, and we need to make some preparations to make sure it's all ready for the winter. So what we've got is some brushes, paint, sanding blocks, sandpaper, wire brushes, get rid of all that flaky paint, and most importantly, the most important thing we need is lots of elbow grease. So we're going to crack on with that. Hopefully rope in some help from the family, and we'll show you a little step by step how we get along with it then. I think you can see the difference a little bit of elbow grease is making. You can see all the flaky paint on the ground. So we're just going to continue, press on. Right, lots of the preparation done now. It's just cleaning up. So got all this lot here to clean up. And then it'll be a matter of the paint going on. So hope this is coming out. There's a bit of a strange angle on the sun here. So hope you're picking it up clearly enough. I've just got this lot to clean up here, and then a splash of paint, and we'll see the difference. Right, my favourite part now, slapping the paint on. Not literally, we'll take our time obviously. So just put a bit of cardboard down, giving the pot a good stir, and I'll show you this little bit here, and then we'll cut towards the end, because it looks really, you can see the different the real contrast between the old and the new. So here goes. Oh, look at that, isn't that satisfying? Let's get it on there, nice and thick. And this is nice water-based paint, so afterwards it's just a matter of washing the brushes under the tap, and job's a good one, much easier to clean up than a lot of the oil-based paints. I've got to make sure we go right under there. I'll just do one more thing, and then you can see a good contrast between the old and the new then. I don't know if anyone's interested in what type of paint I'm using, but I'll show you the can now in a sec. A little bit more on there, so sort of been just making sure we get a good cover. Sometimes 2 thin coats is better than 1 thick coat. That's a general rule of thumb. Right, just in case you're interested, this is the paint I'm using. It's a Cupidor Garden. It seems to more or less paint everything looking at it. It claims it can do stone and masonry and a few other things, and timber. So long lasting, waterproof, protects, rainproof within an hour. So that's what we're using. So we'll cut back to it again once we're nearly finished, and have a nice before and after shot. So we're going to do basically we're doing the 3 sides, because I got something else on the other. I've roped the family in now, we're cooking with gas. It's flying on there. Please guys, I think you can tell the difference there, what's been done and what hasn't. So that's how rough it looks there, and you can see the difference over here. Really taking shape. Just hoping this is coming out nicely, because the sun's shining at a weird angle here, but I think you can get the general gist of what we're doing. So won't be long now. It's probably about 20 minutes work there, painting so far, so a job anybody can do over the weekend. Right, I'm sure you'll agree with me, looks absolutely splendid, much better, and minimum effort really, just scrubbed off any loose bits of paint and gave it a quick lick over with some fresh paint, and we're all sorted now for the winter. And quite a satisfying job. It's sort of instant reward. It's like cutting the grass or something like that. You can see an instant effect of a bit of effort, and that was just a nice simple job. We've got loads of little maintenance jobs we want to do now before the winter, so that was just one of the jobs we wanted to do. So just the usual, hit the like and subscribe button and share my videos, and we're extremely close now to 1,000 subscribers, so every little bit helps, so it'll all be appreciated. So until the next video, this has been a little DIY project to hopefully inspire you to prepare your garden for the winter.